Tēnā koutou katoa.
Good morning and welcome to
GTV News.
for Friday the 3rd of June.
Remember to be the best you can be.
Make sure you wash your hands properly before eating and after going to the toilet.
Straight after GTV will be our GTV live assembly.
ECAs for today.
Pacifica group for years 0, 1, 2 and 3. Meet at lunch eating in the Te Reo room. Bring your lunch and come to the Te Reo room and be part of our Junior Pacifica group for years 0 to 3.
Pacifica group for years 4, 5 and 6 is cancelled today. Most of you will be in the hall for science.
Chill out zone for years 0, 1 and 2. Meet in room 1. Come to room 1 to relax and chill out watching your favourite shows like Peppa Pig, Magic School Bus, Little Einstein and Pink Panther.
Documentary club for years 0, 1 and 2 and 3. Meet in room 36. Do you love science? Come along to room 36 to chill and watch some amazing documentaries to learn about your world and how it works.
Drawing club for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. Meet in room 22. Room 22 is the place to be if you love to draw. Come and create some of your favourite characters with your friends.
Finishing off club games for year 5 and 6 meet in room 49. Come along to room 49 to finish any classroom work or homework. Feel free to come along if you just want to play a game and have some quiet time too.
Mindfulness for everyone. Meet in room 72, beside the Te Reo room. Come to the room 72 prefab and bring your lunch for some peaceful activities like mindful breathing, colouring, listening to music, yoga and glitter jar fun.
Chess club for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 meet in room 55. Do you enjoy playing some chess? Come along each Friday to have a game of chess.
Because it's the end of Samoan Language Week, let's practice some more.
Sa vali vali means go forward.
Tal tala tala means te much talk. Alofa te oi means I love you. Take it easy, bye bye, little boo.
Sa vali vali means go forward.
Tal tala tala means te much talk. Alofa te oi means I love you. Take it easy, bye bye, little boo.
Special notices.
The library is open at lunchtimes except Wednesday. Come in and have a quiet read.
Classroom tickies, please make sure all Chromebooks have been updated. Please do this today.
Let's be safe over the weekend. Always look both ways when crossing the road, even if you are crossing at a set of lights. People do make mistakes. When you go swimming, make sure there is an adult present. Always wear a helmet when using a bike, scooter or skateboard.
We want safe Gladstone.
Happy birthday to
Sam, room 37.
Rocco, room 3.
And for the long weekend,
Yuffie, room 19.
Annabelle, room 46.
Daniel, room 3.
This guy, room 47.
Alexander, room 40.
Hannah, room 3.
And that's not all for GTV News for Friday 3rd of June.
Have a fabulous weekend. Long weekend.
And now for our GTV live assembly. Kia ora, ko Albi Toko Ingoa.
Welcome to our GTV live assembly. Kia ora, Matisse Toko Ingoa.
Please stand quietly for the karakia and then stay standing for our national anthem.
Manawa mai te mauri nuku, manawa mai te mauri rangi. Ko te mauri kaiau, he mauri tipua, ka pakaru mai te po, tau mai te mauri, homi e hui e taikia.
Kia piri, kia tato welcome from the library. Talofa lava. Hope you have had an amazing week. Now Library Bear is going to go to a class who the moment they started walking up the stairs, I knew it was going to be a great book day. They were awesome. Reading. The only sound I heard was the turning of pages. Awesome. Librarians' music. Anyway, it is fantastic. Room 32. Good job, room 32. Have a great day, everybody.
Just go? Okay. Talofa lava, Gladstone. I hope you've all had a really amazing week and have been celebrating Samoan Language Week in your classes and plus enjoying all your learning. Yesterday with that rain after school was a definite reminder winter's coming. We've been very, very lucky in terms of it's still staying pretty warm, but start to remember jackets just so that you've got something to put on if we do get a burst of rain like we did yesterday. And then also remembering those basic rules that we've practiced so well over the last 2 years. Coughing into elbows, hand sanitising, and staying home if you are not well. Big thing of the week, it was fantastic to see so many, well virtually all of your parents come to the parent interviews over Wednesday and Thursday evenings. I know your teachers love sharing with them all the things and the great learning that you've been doing, and I think it was really great for your parents to actually be able to come back in, see the person who is teaching you, and also have a look at how amazing your classrooms look. So it was a really, really great couple of evenings, and I think we all enjoyed it really, really well. This week I got to visit 2 classes. The amazing and hard-working Room 2, who knew exactly what they were learning and just got on with it. Well done, Room 2. And also the discussion and fantastic collaboration in Room 45. It was just so great to see. So 2 great visits for me this week, and I'm really looking forward to the classes I'm going to see next week. Just one reminder for this week. Science in a van, or it's a truck actually, it's parked out in front of my office, is here for the Year 5s and 6s today. It's in the walkway between the main block and the administration area, but there's still room for you to walk past. Warwick is fenced both ends. Please, when you are going past there, just walk straight through. No playing around in there because it's a tight area, and absolutely no going under the truck. It's safe, it's all done, but it's not a place to play. So just for today, just keep an eye on there and just use that as a quick thoroughfare. Thanks. Well, and it's Friday and we've got a long weekend coming up. So have an amazing weekend, whatever you're doing. And remember, school doesn't start back until Tuesday. All right. Now, it's fantastic to be able to share our stars of week 5. Connor from room 47. Lucas from room 4. Edward from room 48. Kathy from room 24. Kakala from room 22. Diango from room 36. Hannah from room 3. Annabelle from room 46. Bo from room 38. Sanudi from room 43. Evelyn from room 39. Grace from room 26, Elijah from room 26. Yufei from room 19. Nina from room 27. Hadley from room 35. Nikita from room 44. Jack from room 6. Jacob from room 7. Oscar from room 15. Greta from room 23. So, a big round of applause for all those stars of our week. Well done on having such a great 5 days, guys. And I'll be back shortly with the house points.
Good morning, Gladstone. Ted Toohey had a wonderful week in room 6 and 7, but he is ready to go to a new class. This class didn't just do a good job this week, they've done an amazing job all year long. So, room 48, you will have Ted Tui this week. Nice.
Manuele te ao Gladstone, and happy Samoan Language Week.
Good morning, Gladstone! Can't pay him out here! Good morning, Gladstone. Hey, Mr. Lang.
Yes, buddy.
Do you know how cryptocurrency works?
Not really, no.
Neither do I. I'm a bit confused. Oh, that's a good one, Spoy. Hey, Mr. Lang, did you hear about the mushroom who had literally hundreds and hundreds of friends? I'm talking not Facebook friends, real friends in real life.
I didn't.
Yeah, he was a real fun guy. Anyway, this week I'm going to a room where I had great discussions and was very mature during their health lessons. And that is room number 22. Oi, oi! Oh, well done, room 22. I myself am going to a class who had an amazing depth of knowledge about the human body and what each part does.
Oh, good.
And that's room number 39.
Oh,
Come and get me! Ha
I know, guys.
Hi Gladstone. I'm Nanjiba.
And I'm Manha.
And we are part of the peer mentor team. It was another fabulous week in the playground with lots of happy students playing well together.
It was great to see so many of you displaying the 5 Bs. We are so proud of you all.
Special shout-outs for this week for great behavior must go to
Indy from room 46 for trying to cheer up her friend who was sad.
Sylvie from room 20 for resolving a problem.
Sadie from room 44 for being safe, inclusive, and helping little kids.
And Amy from room 24 for being kind, friendly, and showing good manners.
Thank you to you all for your kindness in the playground. We wish we could give every one of you a kind koala this week.
But there can be only one winner.
And this week's kind koala goes to Jacob, rooms 6 and 7. Congratulations.
Please collect Kind Koala, the Kind book, and your certificate from Miss Lade after assembly.
Wishing you all a wonderful and relaxing weekend. Remember to stay safe and stay kind.
Hey, good morning, Gladstone. It is time again for the Classroom Environment Award. A pretty tough choice this week, got to say. There was a couple senior school classes actually that was pretty hard to choose between, but I've got to say, Miss Peters, your history dioramas really stole the show. So great job, room 27. This is coming down to you. Well done.
Being Awesome Award goes to Tilda, room 20, for being respectful.
Being Awesome Award awarded to Sophie in room 20 for being respectful.
Being Awesome Award for being respectful awarded to Hadicha, room 48.
Being Awesome Award for being inclusive goes to Isabel from room 48.
Being Awesome Award goes to Dominic Silver for being inclusive.
Being Awesome Award goes to Eva, room 49, for being respectful.
Being Awesome Award goes to Ari, room 45, for being inclusive.
Again, Morena Gladstone, I'm back now. This time I will look at the camera rather than the lights because it kind of blinded me and it was really hard to read the certificates, and we don't want to do that with the house points. So if the house captains come up, we'll just have the winning house come up. So at house points, midway through the term, in 4th place we have Kaori. In 3rd place, Kowhai. So let's run the drum roll. And the winning house for week 5 is Totora.
Stand up, Tordera. 1, 2, 3. Pump, pump, pump it up. Who's the house that's got the stuff? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. House as blue as dynamite. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, 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 boom. Tordera.
Okay, Gladstone, if everybody could please stand for the closing karakia.
Ka pā ki tua, ka pā ki waho, ka pā ki te whare, ka pā ki te rua, ka pā ki te pou e tū nei, kia mā te ariki, kia mā te tauira, no hau e rua tau, e tainei te wairoa e whano, whana, hara mai te tuki, homi e, hui e, tai ki e.